2026 IMT 546 traktor is a powerful symbol of reliability, simplicity, and hard work. Designed for farmers who want strength without complexity, this tractor continues the IMT legacy with a modern touch. From small farms to medium agricultural operations, the IMT 546 proves that you don't need unnecessary technology to get serious work done. At first glance, the 2026 IMT 546 looks solid and purposeful. Its classic tractor design is combined with reinforced body panels and a strong chassis that is built to handle rough field conditions. The front grille is bold and functional, allowing efficient airflow to keep the engine cool even during long working hours. The high ground clearance makes it suitable for uneven farmland, muddy fields, and rural roads. Under the hood, the IMT 546 is powered by a reliable diesel engine producing around 46 horsepower. This engine is known for its durability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance requirements. It delivers strong torque at low RPMs, which is ideal for plowing, tilling, hauling trailers, and operating heavy implements. Farmers appreciate this tractor because it performs consistently, even after years of hard use. The transmission system of the 2026 IMT 546 is designed for control and flexibility. With multiple forward and reverse gears, the tractor adapts easily to different farming tasks. Whether you are working slowly in orchards or moving faster during transportation, the gear system provides smooth power delivery. The clutch is heavy duty, ensuring long life even under frequent load changes. One of the strongest features of the IMT 546 is its hydraulic system. The 3-point linkage offers excellent lifting capacity, allowing the tractor to handle plows, cultivators, harrows, seeders, and other attachments with ease. The hydraulic controls are simple and mechanical, which many farmers prefer because they are easy to repair and dependable in remote areas. Inside operator area, the IMT 546 focuses on practicality. The seating position is comfortable, with good visibility of the front and rear implements. All controls are placed within easy reach, making long working hours less tiring. The steering system is responsive, helping the operator maintain control even in tight spaces such as orchards and narrow fields. The 2026 IMT 546 is especially popular among farmers who value low running costs. Spare parts are generally affordable, and the tractor's simple mechanical design reduces dependency on expensive electronic systems. This makes it an excellent choice for regions where reliability matters more than luxury features. In real farming conditions, the IMT 546 performs exceptionally well. It is suitable for plowing fields, preparing seedbeds, transporting loads, and daily agricultural operations. Its balanced weight and traction ensure stable performance, even when pulling heavy equipment. To conclude, the 2026 IMT 546 tractor is not about flashy technology or modern screens. It is about strength, trust, and long-term performance. For farmers who want a hardworking machine that delivers results year after year, the IMT 546 remains a smart and dependable choice.